Do you have old, unwanted tires taking up space in your yard, garage, or basement? Happy Junk Removal is here to help with our fast, affordable tire removal and disposal service. Whether you've got a single tire or a whole stack, we'll take care of the heavy lifting and ensure your tires are properly recycled, keeping your property clean and helping the environment. Our team at Happy Junk Removal makes the entire process easy and hassle-free. Simply give us a call or book online, and we'll schedule a convenient time for pickup. We handle everything from removing the tires to disposing of them responsibly at certified recycling centers. You can trust that we're committed to keeping our community in Mesa, Arizona, clean and green. So why wait? Free up space and avoid the hassle of dealing with old tires. Contact Happy Junk Removal today, and let us take care of your tire removal and disposal needs. Your satisfaction is our top priority.